All right, here's the next update. You can see they've got the property all marked off right here. They brought in some fill dirt, so they'll fill in around your house once it's done, as well as level off that and then use that dirt for other places. They've delivered your lintels, so that one's for the garage, and all of these are for over top of windows, and these are window sills. They've sprayed with pesticide and then put Visqueen over top of it, and that will kind of seal your perimeter for a while. And you can see all the rebar is in there. And here's these ties that I was talking about. All these little things need to be tied together, which they looked really nice. I went all kind of one by one through them, and there's the little chairs that they sit on. So all the plumbing's done. You can see they put rebar every, I think 4 feet is what's required, and then they'll have one that's shaped like an upside down L, and it will come down on these. You know, they don't tie them because it's going to be too deep. Now you'll see they've formed the garage separately. You see this box? Because your main floor is all level, but the garage floor is slightly sloped so that water will run off, because your water heater is going to be in there. Speaking of water, that's where your water main is going to go in. This is a vent stack that goes to the, that's where your stuff goes. Neighbors' houses there, so everything's all ready to be poured. And they'll do that shortly. So for a timestamp, it's September, the first week of September. And once they get the floors poured, then they'll start the next step.